Hi everyone, I wanted to tell you about my new raised beds that we made. I've been making raised beds for the last few years, but they were about 10 inches tall. So a lot of bending down, it didn't look good. I didn't want to pull the weeds, etc, etc. So we came up with this idea. I designed it into 4 raised beds that I made into a square, so it's the 12 by 12. And it's made from cedar pickets that I bought from Menards. So it's just over $3 for 6 feet. So we did the raised beds 6 feet long and just cut it in half, and the ends are 3 feet. So my neighbors has a lot of chickens and geese and turkeys and everything, and that's why I decided to do this as well, because I don't want any of those animals in the vegetable garden. So the gate we also did with cedar pickets, and in the wire we also put up wire on top of it, just to keep the cats out as well. So I kept all the grass. We did not take any grass out. So when we started the raised beds, I put cardboard down. I did the hugelculture where I put cardboard boxes and then tree stumps, branches, leaves, and ended with hay. And then the rest of the 17 inches I filled with topsoil and compost. So it will go down about 5 inches in a year. This time it went down, it's about 3 inches at the moment. So I will just fill it up when the season is done, and then we will be good again for next year. So there's one of the cats, but he can be here because I'm here now. So it's nice in the spring because it's all closed. It's nice in the springtime, then I can sit here, kind of my hideaway. Nobody can find me here. So originally I designed it so these boxes can be filled as well and be closed for more raised beds, but I realized soon that that's not going to work because then I cannot reach some areas. So now it's all open, and that's just better. So lots of tomatoes this year, cucumbers, beans, and potatoes, and also the herbs and strawberries and everything else, onions, beets. And then I had this mailbox that was brand new that we attached to one of the beds, and that's where all the tools are in, so it keeps it nice out of the rain. It doesn't get wet or rusty or whatever, and my gloves are in there, so that works out pretty good. So my tip for this that I learned is, I love Menards, but the best would be to buy from Home Depot, because for the same price you get a much sturdier cedar picket. It's heavier wood and it just looks better. So I will definitely buy from Home Depot. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.